Gentlemen and miladies, hold on. What's up? It's our guy here. I do not have my fedora on. I'm sorry. I wanted to show off my cool Pokemon badge, but I want to show you something. I think I would have. We're playing Pokemon Go, and we're just walking around Medline Elementary School.
I see right here.
Look at that. Pokemon. Oh yes, the Pokemon. I thought I should start recording just in case we see anything, like a dead body or something, or in case we get mugged. Just in case. This is all about my last will and testament. Time. 9. Damn it.
Keep on going. Keep on filming. Just get raped.
Yes, just in case. This is your last will and testament. Remember this face.
You have to show me my face.
Look at that face. Remember that face.
Oh, there's a Metapod.
Catch it. We're gonna go to a quick Pokestop. Then we're gonna get the hell out of here.
Oh, you think it's creepy crawlies?
Hell yeah!
Oh, the Pokemon go free. Oh shit.
I'm just recording this so we don't die, just in case we die. Oh shit! Look at that.
Pokeball.
He's got a great ball. He's a great ball on a Metapod. Everybody beat him up.
Look at that, guy. Look at that. That Metapod.
My nipple's hard.
What the fuck?
It's cold out. I'm wearing a tank.
Look, let me show you guys my Pokemons. Look at all that. Look at that.
Look at that. He plays this game a lot.
There you go. Alright.
There's the Pokestop, everyone. You probably can't see it. I'm gonna get closer so you can see it.
This is what I got. My Pokeballs, I got balls and balls. And if I were you, I'll blur on my face because I don't want to be seen.
I can't blur, so too bad.
Just take me out.
Too bad! Check it out. This is where we are. It's beautiful. Let's get the fuck out of here quickly.
Why, you scared, you pussy?
I'm not scared. I just want to get the fuck out of here before my parents get home.
I'm gonna go back to the... Oh, shit. The post.
Yes, back to the base of operations.
Alright, let's go. If I were you, I'll just vlog your face, I guess.
Alright.
It'll be better, I guess. You're just looking at the floor.
Good point, good point. Anyways, guys, we're walking back. I'm still scared as shit. And why? Fuck you! And the lights in the rec center is on, so I'm kind of nervous now because it's really night. It's dark outside. All the lights are off except the street lamps. So I'm really scared. There's just a little vlog, a little bit into my life, and there's a pickup truck. We should get the fuck out of here quickly.
Yeah, I think we should get the fuck out of here.
I'm scared.
Get the fuck out of here.
Turn right, you dumbass! Oh God, what is that noise? Okay, I think we're safe. Stop. There. I can't run anymore. I'm out of shape.
I could have run more.
I got a knot in my stomach.
That's a good bird. Let's go back over there?
No, we're going back home.
Alright, you got the Pokestop.
Home.
Pokestop.
Home.
Pokestop.
We had an agreement.
I need Pokestop.
You need nothing.
I need Pokestop. You need Pokestop. I'm gonna go run over there.
Hurry, you'll be back by the time I get over to the gate.
Oh, dude, you didn't leave me alone.
I can't run anymore. Let's go home.
Alright. Whatever. What are you doing? Back to me.
Checking the time.
You rapist.
Fuck you.
You a rapist.
Fuck you.
You're raping me.
Shut up. Look, I'm not doing anything to him. He's fine.
God, it's so bright. Oh, shit.
What you getting? No, fuck you. You see where I'm going, bitch? I think I'm gonna call this episode Date Rapist.
Date rapist?
No, but it's Redneck Nighttime Rapist.
Oh, why is there a dog?
There's a lot of dogs around here.
Let's go pet it. See if we don't get raped.
Alright.
Oh, that's his dog.
Yeah. Anyways, I'm saying I'm gonna call this episode Night Rapist.
You sure you don't want to get Pokemon over there? The dark.
No, let's get the fuck out of here. Next time we're doing this, we're bringing a car. Next time we'll have something to escape into. Look at a large doggy running in the meadow. Find the window and under something. La la la. I know. It's Zapdos. Zapdos is pissed. And so is Thunderous.
Thunderous? The black and white?
Yeah. I don't remember which one's which. I think Thunderous is the blue one.
No, he's the one in the cloud.
They're all in the clouds. Here, take my phone for a second. Hold it while I do this. This is how you get through a gate. Oh shit!
He goddamn sucks.
Fat people can fit through small places too. As you can see by my face, I'm really sweaty. Run, Forrest, run! I love saying that. Hello, Forrest Gump. I think I'm gonna end this vlog right now. Thank you all for watching. I'm the art guy. Oh dear God. Goodbye. Having a great day. And God bless you all. Bye.